Say morning, folks. Morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Another gorgeous day on planet Earth. It's a little bit rainy. How are you all? How is everybody today? So, I'm very well. The ground is wet. Hey folks, it's a little bit nippy. So I've just done a couple of little random uploads which will follow of last weekend actually. I met up with Rebel. A lot of you know Rebel, and guys, it is actually a little bit chilly today. And when we met up, we were meeting up for coffee and we weren't just decided what we were going to do, but he saw the state of my van and he got quite upset, and he said, let's go to the lorry yard, because he drives a lorry, and wash your van. First of all I said, oh no, let's do something else. And then he was like, and your van, look at your van. And my van was filthy. So that's what we did. We went to his lorry yard and we washed my van. It was good fun. And then I got to drive his lorry. I said, can I drive your lorry, please? And I couldn't believe it. He said yes. So I drove a great big truck. It was awesome. I'm freezing. Yeah, so there you go. I'll show you that. This video, by the way, I'm going to dedicate to my beautiful friend Laura, who lives in Ireland. Hi Laura, I miss you, mate. And to Ryan, her son. Ryan is 4 years old and he watches most of my videos. Ryan, this video is for you, of me washing Sam, my fire truck, and driving a great big lorry. I miss you, Ryan, and I can't wait to see you, dude. I never used one of these before.
Ow! I'll keep wet! Mud coming out from underneath and all sorts.
Have you done that side again?
No, I've only done the underneath.
Right.
We have to do one side at a time. This woman cracks me up. You got to grab the other light, the other end. Grab it by the wheel, that's it. And walk around with it.
Are you filming?
I'm filming, go on.
No, I don't like the ladder.
No, I don't. Can you hold that ladder for
And
I've got to
when
film.
I start the gun, it's going to push me back.
Yeah, look, he's got the ladder. Go up one more step.
I don't like heights.
Nah, nor do I.
So I've got to do one hand. Now I've just cleaned in the bonnet, looking pretty sparkly, but really need to spray paint massively. You can't really see in this light, but the paint is faded so badly. When I first saw these in the shop, I thought they looked revolting, and it was weeks and weeks before I finally thought, oh, I'll try them, you never know. Anyway, they're now my favourite food. Beetroot burger with mayonnaise, ketchup, tomatoes and cucumber. Foxy can't bear it, he smells food. Yeah, wait. So I just said to Rebel, do you want one? He was like, no thanks. But I love them. Beetroot burgers. Aldi is where you get them from. I'm driving a 44-ton truck.
Today?
Yes, today. Only today. About on.
Shut door.
I'm going to take my flip-flops off because I feel a bit safer. So the steering wheel, put the foot there.
That's it, pull it towards you. Comfy with it there?
Yeah. Okay, then, so I need to go into neutral. So it's automatic.
Yeah, it's A for auto.
Sure that's A, not on the M?
If the white line's on the A, then it's on the A.
Okay. Hand brake.
Just pull it and let go. That's it.
Okay. Here we go. Right, there's nobody moving. My little diddy.
It's a tiny little van.
Fire van. The back's off. 14'6" height.
Yeah.
My dad was a lorry driver. Okay, I can do this tight turn. Have I got enough room? Yeah, I have got enough room.
Well, the corner's where your right foot is.
Okay, I don't know if I understood that. Yeah, driving a 44-ton truck. Thank you. It was awesome, and I think I would maybe be able to do this on the road. I don't know about parking. Right now.
Straight as possible. Make life as less effort as possible.
Okay, I'm sweating.
Push the button in.
Reverse.
That's not reverse, is it?
Yeah,
no.
It is. It is.
No, it's not.
It is, Rebel, look.
No. That's reverse.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Right, okay. There's a little car in front of me. I'm a bit nervous. Oh my god.
See,
no.
told you. That's it. Should be. Just take your foot off the brake. No.
No, it was in reverse the first time.
That's it.
It was in reverse. I was right.
Yeah, all right.
I was right. How long have you been driving a truck for?
A bit longer than you.
And yet I knew where reverse was.
Smart ass.
Right, okay. Now the steering wheel needs to be that way, yeah?
You're the one reversing.
Oh, fuck.
Don't watch. Look out, because it's your van that's behind you.
Okay, I think I've got it right. I love driving barefoot, you know. There's bumps and stuff. So I'm a little bit nervous now.
Yeah, well, now you're going too far to the right.
Too near my van. I might let you do the rest. Anyway.
No. Put it into neutral.
Oh, really?
Just click. That's it. One click back. Let go of the brake.
Okay. So I want to go this way a little bit.
No. Hang on. Oh. Get your foot off the brake.
Oh, okay.
Don't look in front of you. Look behind you.
Okay. So
Look
I
in
need
the
to go
mirrors.
back now.
You need to look in the mirrors when you go do that.
Right.
But yeah, you more or less. You just turn the steering wheel over. Turn it straight.
Right, I think I've got plenty of room. That's a tight little gap.
Oh, loads of room.
Okay. Show them in that mirror how tight that little gap is, by the way.
It's not tight, that's about 3 feet, believe it or not.
No. Okay.
Go on, back a bit. Stop turning right.
Oh, I don't like it.
Stop turning right.
So, I don't, I've got to stop now. It looks really close to me.
Keep going.
Shit.
Keep going.
No, the log.
Well, now do.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rebel. That was awesome. So there you go, me driving a great big lorry. It was freaking awesome, and I would love to have taken her out on the open road, assuming there were no other cars on the road. So I met Rebel last year at the Stratford meetup, and we've been firm friends ever since then. I met a few people at the Stratford van meetup that I've been really good friends with ever since. Funny, because I was so nervous about going. I hate meeting lots of new people, but I'm really glad that I did go. So what's the day today? I think it might be Thursday. And I'm off to see my son, my Nathan, today. I love being parked really close to him. I'm only about 20 minutes away, and it's great being able to see him whenever I want to. We're going to the coast at the weekend. Not a popular coastline, but I will do some videoing. I've got bird poo all over my van again now because I'm parked underneath trees, so I will be cleaning that off today. I really want to spray paint Sam. I really want to spray paint my van. Sam the van, red, like a deep dark red. And I know that if you do your van like black or grey or green, you can roller paint it, or or you can paint it on, but I just don't think it would work. It would look as good if I hand painted it in red. But anyway, that's my ultimate, and I will do that one of these days. So yeah, I shall leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you like this little random upload, do please give me the thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Check me out on Patreon. Thank you to everybody that's joined me on Patreon so far. I'm just getting into the swing of it. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. So there is my love heart, there's my heart, and have a fab day on planet Earth. Laters.